Hi, I am from ArtOfTesting and I welcome you all to this tutorial on the topic, Test Cases for Pen. Test cases for a pen are one of the most commonly asked interview questions in testing. This video will not only help you in your interviews but will also help you in understanding the process of test case creation, which you can utilize while creating test cases for any kind of application. In this video, we will study the user interface test cases, functional test cases, negative test cases, and performance test cases for pen. Now, without further delay, let's begin with UI test cases. User interface test cases for pen. The UI test cases cover the testing of the graphical user interface of the application to be tested, which is pen in our case. It will include test cases like: verify that the length and the diameter of the pen are as per the specifications. Verify the outer body material of the pen, if it is metallic, plastic or any other material. Verify the color of the outer body of the pen. Verify that the brand name and/or logo of the company creating the pen should be clearly visible. And the last one. Verify that any information displayed on the pen should be legible and clearly visible. Now, let's move to other sets of test cases, the functional test cases. Functional test cases are the test cases that involve testing the different functional requirements of the application under test. It can include test cases like: verify the type of pen, whether it is a ballpoint pen, ink pen or gel pen. Verify that the user is able to write clearly over different types of papers. Verify the weight of the pen, it should be as per the specifications. In case not mentioned in the specifications, the weight should not be too heavy to impact its smooth operation. Verify if the pen is with a cap or without a cap. Verify the color of the ink of the pen. Verify the odor of the pen's ink after writing over a surface. Verify the surfaces over which pen is able to write smoothly apart from paper, for example cardboard, rubber surface, wooden surfaces, etc. Verify that the text written by the pen should have consistent ink flow without leaving any blob. Verify that the pen's ink should not leak in case it is tilted upside down. Verify that the pen's ink should not leak at higher altitudes, for example in mountains or while traveling in aeroplanes. Verify if the text written by the pen is erasable or not. Verify the functioning of pen on applying normal pressure during writing. Verify the strength of the pen's outer body. It should not be easily breakable. Verify that text written by pen should not fade before a certain time. Verify if the text written by the pen is waterproof or not. Verify that the user is able to write normally on tilting the pen at a certain angle instead of keeping it straight while writing. Check the grip of the pen, whether the user can comfortably grip it or not. Verify if the pen can support multiple refills or not. In the case of an ink pen, verify that the user is able to refill the pen with all the supported ink types. In the case of an ink pen, verify that the mechanism to refill the pen is easy to operate. In the case of a ballpoint pen, verify the size of the tip. And the last one. In the case of both ball and gel pen, verify that the user can change the refill of the pen easily. Let's see some negative test cases for the pen now. The negative test cases include test cases that check the robustness and the behavior of the application when subjected to unexpected conditions. Some sample negative test cases for the pen are: verify the functioning of a pen at extreme temperatures, much higher and lower than normal room temperature. Verify the functioning of a pen at extreme altitude. Verify the functioning of a pen at zero gravity. Verify the functioning of the pen on applying extreme pressure while writing. Verify the effect of oil and other liquids on the text written by pen. Verify if the user is able to write with the pen when used against the gravity, i.e. upside down. Verify the functioning of a pen when a user tries to write on unsupported surfaces like glass, plastic, wood, etc. Verify if the pen works normally or not when used after immersing it in water or any other liquid for some period of time. Now let's see some performance test cases for pen. Performance test cases include the test cases that help in quantifying or validating the performance of an application under different conditions. Some sample performance test cases for the pen are: check how fast the user can write with the pen over supported surfaces. Verify the performance or the functioning of a pen when used continuously without stopping. This type of testing is actually known as endurance testing. It's a subset of performance testing. And the last one. Verify the number of characters a user can write with a single refill in case of a ballpoint and gel pen, and with full ink in case of ink or fountain pens. So, friends, these were some test cases for pen. I hope you liked this video. If you want these test cases in text form, you can also check our website Art of Testing. The link is given in the description. Subscribe to this channel if you want similar tutorials on software testing. For any query related to this video or software testing in general, you can comment and we will answer at the earliest. See you in our next video. Goodbye, and happy learning.